Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to increase Instagram engagement in 2026 using strategies that are actually working right now. So if your posts are getting views but not enough likes, comments, shares, or saves, yeah, this guide is for you. First, engagement basically means how people interact with your content. That includes likes, comments, shares, saves, profile visits, and even watch time on your reels. One of the biggest ranking signals right now is saves. Tutorials, quick tips, checklists, recipes, and useful information usually get saved more often. The first few seconds of your reel or the first line of your caption should grab attention immediately. If people scroll away too fast, Instagram won't push the content very much. Yeah, replying to comments matters a lot. The faster you respond, the more active your post looks to Instagram's algorithm. Consistency is another huge factor. Try posting regularly so your audience keeps seeing your content. Even a few quality posts each week can help. Reels usually get more reach than regular photo posts. So, if you want higher engagement, focus more on short-form videos with fast editing and clear captions. Using trending audio can help your videos reach new people. But make sure the sound actually matches your content style and niche. Check your Instagram insights to see when your audience is most active. Posting during peak activity hours can improve likes and comments pretty quickly. Collaborations can also boost engagement fast. When you work with another creator in your niche, both audiences get exposed to the content. Try not to buy fake likes or spam comments everywhere. I mean, those shortcuts usually damage your reach instead of helping your account grow.